Arey beta, what happened? Why are you upset?
Dadu, a boy in my class was laughing at me today. He said Hindus worship animals like elephants and monkeys as God.
People sometimes laugh at things they don't understand.
But Dadu, why do we worship Ganesh? Why does he look like that?
That's a very good question. Do you know why Ganesh has an elephant head?
No.
Then let me tell you the story. High up on Mount Kailash, Parvati and Shiv live happily in their cave. Parvati was cool and calm. Shiv was, well, forgetful.
Life is peaceful.
Except for one little problem.
Hey Parvati, did you see my drum?
Shiv, how many times have I told you? No disturbing my bath.
I always forget that part.
If only someone could stop him.
Wait, I have an idea.
Yes, I did it!
Wow, that was a good nap. Who am I?
My son, I shall call you, Ganesh.
Yay, I have a name.
Now, my dear son, I have an important job for you. Guard the entrance to the lake. Don't let anyone in while I bathe.
Yes, Mom.
Meanwhile, in the forest,
It's a beautiful day. Now, where's Parvati? Parvati! Parvati! Parvati!
and then
Excuse me, little one. Let me pass.
Sorry, sir. No one gets in.
Move aside, child.
Hold, you cannot pass.
Who are you to stop me?
I am guarding the lake for my mother.
Said move!
No! Mom!
Oh my God!
Shiv! What have you done?
Shiv realized that he had made a big mistake.
I can fix this.
So Shiv runs into the woods and returns with an elephant head. With a little magic,
You're back, my clever boy.
Whoa, that was a good nap. Wait, why do I feel different? A trunk? Cool. So, can I blow my new trunk like a trumpet?
and that's how Ganesh became the boy with an elephant head. You know, this story teaches us that when we get very angry, our feelings can grow quickly, like a storm in our hearts. When that happens, we might act or speak without thinking.
Like Shiv Bhagwan?
Yes, exactly. And that can lead to mistakes, hurt feelings, or things we later regret. Ganesh, with his elephant head, reminds us to handle our feelings wisely. His big ears teach us to listen carefully to others, and his small mouth reminds us to think before we speak. When we slow down, listen, and think first, we make kinder and wiser choices.